Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove profile picture on TikTok. So you can try these two tips that I'm going to show you. First, you can go to your profile and here you can click on edit profile, click on change photo, and as you guys can see here, there are no direct feature where you can remove the profile picture, unfortunately. But here I'm going to show you a tips. First, you can use a blank profile picture, so you can just click on take a photo in here, use your camera rear camera, and then point it at a blank or a dark surface like this. Then you can just here click on the shutter button, and now you can use this as your profile picture. You can click on save. So that's the first options. The second options is that you can use or find a default profile picture. You can search online in Google, for example, search for a default TikTok profile picture, and you can save it to your device. And after that, you can edit your profile again, change photo, click on select from gallery, and then here, sorry, let's find the photo. You can just, okay, you can click on the photo, you can click on confirm, and here you can adjust the positions of the photo just like this, for example. And after that, you can click on save, and just like that, now my photo profile is removed and I'm using a default profile picture on TikTok. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.